right, here they are again.
No one got lazy. There we go.
Throw them.
Ouch. Oh, he just bit me. Yeah. Not on purpose. Ready? Go get it.
Oh my God, these dogs are whack. Get it, Madison.
They don't fetch very
Go
well.
get your baby. Madison does. Throw it.
Want your baby? Go get it. Worst fetching dogs ever.
Punky took hers over there and left it.
Now I'm gonna have to go get them. So who's the real fetcher?
We are. Well, actually, you are. What are you doing, Madison? Go get Mama. Go get Mama. What are you doing? What are you doing? Come here, little baby. Come here. You're so pretty. Yes, you are. Oh my goodness, that's funny.
Okay, it wasn't as fun as I thought it would be.
Right? All right.
Cool.
Thanks for checking them out. Hit subscribe, like, and hit the bell for notifications. We always put videos up with the dogs. We got radio-controlled airplanes, Monster Jam, scratch tickets. The dogs are dancing. You name it. We put it on YouTube. Funny. Leave a comment below. Let us know what kind of dogs you have, and if they do wacky stuff like these ones. Or let us know where your channel is. We'd like, we'll check your channel out. All right, thanks for coming by. See you next time. No, hold on. Wait. No, oh, wait. All right, see you next time.